Hello guys, usual Saturday video from my car on this channel. The channel is called Laravel Daily, but on Saturdays I want to talk about something broader than just Laravel or web development. It's about your success in your career. So topic of today is freelancing, and I want to remember my own story of freelancing when it jumped to like really serious money and really serious clients. So I started my freelance career on Upwork, international career, from a really low paid jobs, like $10 an hour, or it was even lower from what I remember, from really small tasks and projects, because it's impossible to beat the Upwork system with people with ratings. So you are nobody on the system, you don't have any rating. So I went for any jobs I could take for, as I said, $10 an hour. And there were usually small projects, like perform one task for $50, like deliver a really quick project for $100 here and there. So I started really small and grew over time, but still my projects that I took were about speed. So that's why actually Quick Admin Panel was born out of that, because I was taking a lot of projects almost like CRUD based, simple admin panel or simple management system with Laravel mostly. So each of the client was really like small, like a few weeks or 1 month of coding, then you deliver the project. And most of the cases I kind of forgot the project until the client come back and ask for something more, but usually that didn't happen. Not because I did a poor job on coding, but because that client didn't continue with that project. It was small project in general. And this is where I'm getting at. My jump in my freelance career happened when I landed on a few bigger clients, which started also small as like simple CRUD or simple admin panel, but with the vision that the project may grow much bigger. So in the end, I had 2 clients who stayed for me for 4 years. 4 years of constant tasks, improving version 2, version 3, changing the technology to Vue.js, and a lot of that stuff. One of the project was internal CRM for the company, which works with real estate and loans. And another was with event management for sporting events and racing events and stuff like that. And both projects were not short-term, one-time ideas. And this is my overall point. So when choosing the clients, try to get the clients with broader vision. If you can choose the clients between, on one hand, you have a quick job for something that is really one time, you can see that it's one time thing like import Excel or something like that. So you can see that the project doesn't have long-term vision or long-term future. Probably try to find other clients who would maybe start with the same quick job, but you can foresee that the future is bright and that the client potentially would invest more money in that. It doesn't necessarily happen, but if you see the vision, the business vision, the project vision behind that project, then you have bigger chances to have more work for the future. And actually my freelance career kind of transformed into a few jobs. So at the end of my freelance career, it's not the end actually, I'm not sure, maybe I will still do freelance work in the future, but actually it was like 3 or 4 constant clients for a few years, so it was a stable income, and I didn't need to go back to Upwork or wherever searching for new tasks, new clients, new source of income. So I wish to you that your freelance career would eventually also evolve into that, a few bigger clients with less stress and longer term vision. But that's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos.